Cleaning Disaster Lesson 5: The Health Hazard. You can't see, looking at your home, everything appears clean. But there's a dangerous truth hiding beneath the surface. Your family keeps getting sick, developing mysterious allergies, and suffering from respiratory issues that doctors can't explain. The problem isn't what you can see, it's the invisible health hazards accumulating in your home despite your best efforts. Dust mites are breeding deep in your carpets, mold spores are circulating through your HVAC system, and chemical residue from consumer cleaning products is building up everywhere. Pet dander settles into upholstery where your vacuum can't reach it. These allergens create a constant cycle of health problems that seem unrelated to cleanliness, but they're directly caused by cleaning methods that only address surface dirt. At Made Perfect, we understand the connection between true cleanliness and your family's health. Our professional-grade allergen reduction protocols don't just make your home look clean, they make it healthy. We use hospital-grade HEPA filtration, deep extraction methods that remove contaminants from their hiding places, and proper ventilation techniques during chemical application. Our contractors are trained in the science of healthy homes. We know which products actually eliminate allergens versus which ones just move them around. With our comprehensive insurance coverage and professional protocols, we protect both your family's health and your valuable home surfaces. When your home looks clean but your family stays sick, the problem isn't what you can see, it's what professional cleaning can remove. Stop treating symptoms and start eliminating the cause. Book your clean online today and discover what truly healthy feels like.